Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create your own avatars in TikTok. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed TikTok on your phone and you have already logged into your account. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open TikTok on your phone. This is the homepage of the app. Now to create your avatar, you'll have to tap on this plus sign at the bottom menu. It is right besides the friends option. So go ahead and tap on the plus icon. Then on this page, you'll have to tap on the effects option. And on this menu, tap on the search icon. Now on this search bar, you'll have to type avatars. So go ahead and do that. Here you can see the third option, TikTok avatars. That is the effect we are looking for. So once you find this effect on your results, tap on it. Now you can choose any avatar from this list, and if you want to create one from the very scratch, then tap on this option new, the one with the plus symbol. So here you can choose the base. I'll just choose this first one and then start editing it. You can customize this skin tone. Let me choose this one. You can customize your hair, your head shape. You can also choose your eyebrow shape and color if you want to. Your eye color and shape, your nose shape. You can also choose from different list of ears, mouth, facial hairstyle. Similarly, you can choose different accessories like eyewears, headwears. You can also modify the color as per your choice. So let me choose one headwear and change the color. After that, tap on done at the top right corner. Let it load. And now you can create a video. I won't be showing my face here, but when you show your face to the camera, your face will be covered by your avatar. And your facial expressions and activities will be imitated by the avatar. Now all you have to do is create a video and upload it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.